Someone approached me with an idea about a project that they had for their business, and I was like, okay, give me 2 weeks and I'll get a demo and we'll see, we'll talk about price then. And I've done it. I actually have a client like ready. This is not something I thought was going to happen, but it happened anyways. And here we are, and I have the project ready. I've shown them the demo already. They said they're interested. They said they want me to go ahead and build the full thing. And I want you guys' input on what the price should be for this project because I don't know what the price is. I honestly don't know what the price of this should be because it's a website, right? And the website is payment is a payment wall to access photos that th- basically this person is a photographer and they want people to be able to access photos online by just by buying them from their website, right? And it's a simple idea, really not so complicated distance. So in my head, the first price that came to me was around that 850, and this is in euros I'm talking about. I'm not talking in dollars. So in euros, 850 euros, right? I'll go through the website now in a minute. It's very simple, not complicated, straightforward to me because I've I've done much complicated stuff. So 850 euros is my. I'm not told them the price yet, by the way. I'm just like thinking 850 sounds. It sounds reasonable because I'm going to do the onboarding, like take them through the whole process. It's a person that is not like a very formal this thing. Like I just sat him down. I just sat out with him while I was wearing shorts, and it's someone that I know. So and I see him regularly. And I'm like 850. I haven't quoted this person yet, but 850 for onboarding, taking them through the whole process, domain website, like buying domain, the Stripe checkout for this process also. Like all these things that I was thinking, like 850 seems a little bit cheap for what I'm trying to give to them, right? And then 850 euros. And now I'm thinking maybe around 1,002 to 1,500 euros. Maybe that's much more like I'll feel more comfortable like telling them that, and maybe they don't want to like undercut me by saying I'll feel more comfortable. At least I said it, but again, I really don't know what price I should like put on it so that I'll feel more confident going into the next meeting when I have like all of this stuff ready. So I'll go through the projects now and let me know if the price, like if you're in the freelancing world or stuff like that, let me know if like the price is making sense or should I increase, should I decrease, or if I'm. And yes, I understand. Like this is my first customer, so maybe I should not be greedy, But again, I've spent like 2 3 years learning how to like do these things very fast and effectively. Obviously, I use AI to generate some of the code now. But for me to understand the code that AI is generating, I needed to go through those 2 or 3 years of, ad sweating, Googling, Stack Overflow, and all of that. So again, yeah. Let me show you the code. Like, I don't think I'll go through the code right now. It is something I'm interested in. The code is in Django. Like, if you're interested in like Django, in like the Django framework and stuff like that. Oh my God, did I expose my? Okay, no. All right, I thought I exposed my this thing. My secret. So yeah, basic Django projects, and I have all my folders here. I've done everything. If you want me to go through like the project and you're a beginner and you want stuff like that, I will try my best. I'm not really a good teacher, but again, it's a good challenge for me because it's been a good challenge for me because again, and can I show you the packages I'm using? I think I can do. Wait, let me close this. Can I do pip freeze requirements tx because I'm using Django framework. I'm using Django REST framework and some other packages like that. But I think you need an arrow here. I'm not sure. All right. Yes. Okay. So requirements tx. Yeah, there we go. Um, I don't think Java is needed. I'm really not sure. So, anyways, I wanted to show you like the packages I'm using. And Django based URL. This is for the database connection. Right now, I'm not using it because it's still in the local development phase. Cloudinary, that's where I'm storing the images that this person is going to be accessing or uploading their photos to. Pillow, CyclePG, Python decouple. This is for environment variables to access to like manage. Let's Django REST framework should be around here. Yeah, Django obviously, and yeah, Django REST framework 3.16 and Django 5.2. So yeah, and maybe I shouldn't have added the double quote. So as you can see in the file name right here, there's a double quote around that. So I'll happy just deal with that. Since we're not using the requirement to text here, I'll delete this right now. I'm going to delete this because yeah, and obviously I'm ready. No, I closed it. So I'm going to start the server again. Again, it's in development. Everything is ready to go. I just need to like finalize the UI and stuff like that. So, and also I should say like the person also said like there's a chance for like future expansion of the project. So I don't want to chase this potential future customer away. So this person wants an admin where they would access the photos, where they will upload photos. Again, they shoot events like so they're like, okay. And I said, do you want people to access? I asked all this question that will make it easier for me to kind of know what I'm dealing with. So they will shoot for different events and they want people in those events to access the photos of the event. So they're like, they want to be able to sell it to them. And I said, okay, you're gonna create a badge. The title of the photo is going to be, you know, um, football, um, football champs league, and maybe location or stuff like that. And let's say USA or stuff like that. And I'm just gonna copy the same thing with a little bit more of Texas division champs. Again, I'm not trying to like give a much more detail, and the price would be maybe 75. And for this project, I've already set up Stripe, and as you can see, I'm using a sandbox, so it's not a live testing. I've already tested the payment. I've deleted some. I've tested it again, and done all of that. So, and yeah, I'm going to show you everything right now. So again, creating an image batch, and you add a photo from the file. The only problem I had with this was it's gonna take time to upload this to Cloudinary. Let me cancel this first. Let me take it to my Cloudinary. Cloudinary. Mm, I think I'm already registered. It. Let me log in. I have to log in with my GitHub again. So while that is happening in the back, oh my god, oh my days. Again, the only problem I had with this was like I didn't want to like do batch. Again, the light keeps shooting up because it's it's um it's automatic. So you upload files and these files these files here can take time. And that was like, is that a problem? Is that no problem? Then I realized it's not a problem because it obviously takes time for files to upload in any like image or image processing like websites, YouTube videos. Like it takes time. Even when you're uploading photos from or doing backup from WhatsApp to your local phone, it takes time. When you're transferring images, so I was thinking like, should I make it faster? Is it Python that is slow? I'm like, no, it happens like this is going to be slow. The only thing here was like the image right now. I'm only able to do it one by one, so I'm not able to do the batch this thing. So I don't know if I can make that better or how to do that yet. So I'll probably have to Google on that and stuff like that. So you upload pictures, and let me see my Cloudinary now. Cancel this first. So right now in my assets, you're gonna see some photos. Um, let's say media library assets. This is Cloudinary. Like this is not the most expensive Cloudinary listing. And okay, so we have these photos, right? So I'll probably upload new ones that are not there. So I want to choose file. I'm going to go to pictures. Right. So I'll upload some of my photos that are not on the Cloudinary website. So this. Okay, I can only upload one. I'll upload like two because I don't want it to take time, and I just want to give like a live demonstration, not some comprehensive stuff. So as you can see right now, I'm only doing it one by one. So probably that will take time for the guy that wants to use the website. So maybe I can do like batch uploads to the local batch uploads, and then the Cloudinary stuff is gonna take time. Obviously, if you click save now, the save is going to like upload it to Cloudinary and stuff like that. And if you want to see the code again, let me know because I can take you through the code and I'll create another video easily, be more descriptive and stuff like that. And save. Yeah, saving is gonna take time because obviously it's two photos. So, and the reason why it's gonna even take more time is because oh my days, database. What's happening? All right, error. Mm, this is funny. Database is locked. It's crazy. What does that mean though? What does that mean? Ah, I think. Wait, what? Actually, this is actually funny, man. I wanted to create a nice little, and then I with an error. I'm gonna be back. Let me just deal with this error because I like being quiet. So when I'm dealing with errors like this, so I'll be back and I'll let you know what happened. Right. So I'm gonna try it again. I have not figured out the error because again I don't understand the locking of the database. But again, let's just pick two photos, choose file, open, and save. If this happens again, then I'm going to just like skip the, oh, it's successful. Like I haven't tried it again since the error. I just like maybe sometimes like the database locks or something. But again, it's an error I understand like from a like high level point of view, but I don't really understand the granular bits. Anyways, like as you can see, like it saved it twice. It's just weird. Anyway, as okay. The process probably completed, but mm, uh, anyways, you're probably gonna see like duplicate photos because yeah, okay. It completed, but again, there was just an error. I don't understand it. And the reason, again, this is like much more technical stuff that I didn't want to introduce in the video. But the reason why it takes time is because it's gonna store this, and then it's going to create a new photo where, if you look at the original photo, 2.38 MB, and then the preview is going to be like 2.21.58 KB, which is less, and obviously the dimensions are 800 by 408. And again, this is a much bigger like aspect ratio. So same thing with this, and then we're gonna 800 by 528, 800 by 408. So the reason why it does that is because I want to create the preview while it is uploading from the admin side. Because if you try to do it in the UI, where um, let's go to the page where users are going to access. So yeah, it created it twice. So understood. So let's say a user wants to buy the photo from its website, and then it goes to view photos. If you try to do it like this thing dynamically, dynamically, if you try to like do it on the spot, it's going to take much more resources than doing it from the admin side, where you upload it and just generate the preview as it is uploading. I feel like that's a much more better way and performance wise than like doing the dynamic preview generation. And yeah, when you purchase collection, you purchase, and then you have to enter your email address. I didn't want to do like create a user for them to create a user, because that's another. You have to enter your user email password, and that's another layer of friction for that I don't think this guy needs. So again, me thinking about the process. And all right, you enter your email, I'm gonna enter I'm gonna enter an actual email, Sharif at email.com. This is not an actual email. I just want to show an example. Oh my days, man. My test, my Stripe key is a problem. But you know what? I I did not want to give up on this video. I'm going to try to do it. I'm going to like copy and paste like a new Stripe test key. So yeah, I'll be back. All right, I'm back and I realized what the error was. I had a comma here. I had a comma right here in my Stripe secret key configuration in my settings.py. So again, these are the little bugs that I introduced right now when I was sitting down right here. So again, proceed to payment is going to work now because I fixed it. And then you enter a fake email, you enter a fake card information, 42424242424242. Yeah. And then the month, 4 to 28, 8, and then TCV 424. And then the name on the card will be Daniel Minga. And once again, this is just a demo for the guy. So the demo, I showed him all of this. All of this worked like it worked fine when I was showing him, but I don't know why it is now all these errors happening now. But once you click on pay, no thanks. In Stripe, it's gonna like obviously successful, and then it's gonna lead you to this success page, and where it says thank you for the purchase of Football Champs League USA. The download link has been sent to your email, and they expire in 24 hours and can be used up to 3 times. So again, just a little nice demonstration, a little nice successful base, and in your Stripe transactions here, if I click on refresh, you're also going to see a payment of $75. Successful. So yeah, succeeded certified on 5 September 27, which is today right now at 3:35 a.m. in the morning. Early in the morning, I'm doing this, and yeah. So again, I've already thought of all of this. I just want to know what the price of this would be because again, I'm creating an API for future use in Django. So I want to know how I should like price this so that I'm not cheating myself. Let me see if the email actually sent because I think I usually have because I'm using Mailtrap for um what no not this. We're trying to use the sandboxes, man. All right. Okay, no, it didn't send because I'm using a different anyways, that's by the way. I just wanted to show this project and see how much I should charge for it. Again, I've already kind of the um the engineering of this thing, like the system design of the website, I already kind of like have it like dialed in and locked in. Just a little bit of tweaks here and there should get this website like good to go. So again, let me know what you think this price should be, and if you have been a freelancer before, what are the problems or issues that I should kind of be looking forward to face. And yeah, that's it. Let me know your thoughts in the comments below. Leave a like, comment, and subscribe. And I'll see you in the next video. Cheers.